46-year-old woman is evaluated for 2 months history of progressive abdominal distension, vague abdominal discomfort, and bloating sensation. Physical examination shows moderate ascites. Laboratory evaluation reveals markedly elevated CA-125, and imaging studies shows an ovarian mass. Molecular analysis of the malignant cells in acidic fluid is performed, and these cells are found to have high telomerase activity. This enzyme promotes cell growth and malignancy by directly causing which of the following action? If you see the scenario, shabab, you will find a patient who is developing metastasis of ovarian cancer to the abdomen and in the abdominal cavity. You see, she has abdominal distension, vague abdominal discomfort, bloating sensation, but you could see in the laboratory she has markedly elevated CA-125, which is a tumor marker for ovarian cancer. And then in the image, they show ovarian mass. Now, in the abdomen, because of the abdominal distension and in the acidic fluid, the ovarian mass, the ovarian cancer was spread or has spread to the acidic, into the peritoneal cavity. Now they get a molecular analysis of the malignant cells in the acidic fluid, and they found these cells to have high telomerase activity. So what is telomerase? What is telomerase? This enzyme promotes cell growth and malignancy by directly causing which of the following action? You could see in the figure here, we have the DNA and the chromosome, and actually toward the end, at the end of chromosome, there is a piece called telomere. And this telomere contains specific sequence of nitrogen bases, which is not a gene. So telomere is not a gene, it has no genes, but it is just made to protect the DNA. So each time we have a cell division, we have lost, or we will lose part of this telomere. So each cell division, the telomere will shorten in the length until we come into a point which is called a critical point. If we reach that point, which has very short telomere, the cell will stimulate the pathway of apoptosis. So the cell will die, will kill itself. Why is that? Because we don't have telomere, which normally protect the genes which are present in the chromosome. So the telomere is just a terminal portion. Now, if we don't want these cells, which are actively dividing, if we don't want them to end by apoptosis, we need to rebuild the telomere. How we rebuild the telomere? By this enzyme called telomerase. So the function or the activity of this telomerase enzyme is to build the lost telomere. So if we make a division of the cell with loss of part of the telomere, as that happen usually, if we have this enzyme, it will rebuild the telomere so the cell can divide again and again and again without losing the telomere and without going into apoptosis. Now, some of the cancer cells have this enzyme, which will help them to build the telomere and prevent apoptosis despite multiple cell division. You could see in the note, telomeres lie at the end of chromosomes, have tender repeat DNA sequence shortened with each cell division until so severe that will stimulate apoptosis. Now, the telomere reconstructed by telomerase, which prevent cell death. telomerase, 90%, more than 90% of cancer cells have telomerase activity, which stimulate continued proliferation and prevent apoptosis despite multiple cell division.